Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make all your members cannot send message to your Discord server. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Discord application and I'm going to open my server on Discord. This is my server and we can right click on our server's name just like this, and you are going to select the server setting. In the server settings you have to select the rules, okay, and select the default permissions, and you have to scroll down until you find the text channel permissions. Then if you want to make all your members cannot send messages to your Discord server, you can disable this feature, send messages feature, disable it, and this one as well, send messages in threads. I'm going to disable it, and after that we're going to click on save changes. And right after you disable this feature, all the members in your Discord server cannot send messages to your server. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make members cannot send message to Discord server. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.